I've been looking at ways we can take our existing product, it's a test automation tool for Salesforce and other applications, and build it in a more enterprise scaling way. So both we can run instances ourselves in a more containerized fashion, but also so our customers can take what we build and run their sort of Selenium tests in a massively scalable, parallel way.
It's always interesting to learn more about security. One of the topics was security, also information on ECS, Fargate versus EKS, where you can make those differences and the choices that you could have.
Well, I spoke today about AWS Fargate, which is our container service which allows you to run containers without any infrastructure at all. Make it nice and easy, lets you focus on your application and not on any infrastructure.
I think any event where you're sharing information and knowledge, particularly with security in my case, but generally in tech, is important, and that's ultimately what it comes down to, is getting that knowledge in the hands of the people that need it the most.
Education around what DevOps is, and there are lots of misconceptions around DevOps being just automation, and I was trying to make a point that it's far more than just automation.
I came along because I wanted to learn a bit more about container usage. We use Docker, but we haven't really taken that onto management of sort of Kubernetes style, learning a few more bits.
As any other business parts or departments, we need to produce proof of concepts or outputs. So one key issue for us is to understand what is really doable or not, because we are cascading down things to our DevOps team. So it's critically important for us to know what is new, what is happening in that area, and what we can ask from them. And it was very brilliant, I would say.
The biggest takeaway was I wasn't aware that there was this metadata service in Kubernetes, which was quite scary, and seeing the way you can hack your way to get into the pods was very scary, so I'm going to make sure that that doesn't happen. I was fascinated by the AWS offering. I follow AWS quite closely, so that's where most of my experience is, and I think the raw package is fantastic, but this new Fargate thing I think is going to make the managing of containers much easier. So running your own cluster is a lot of work, and anything that can reduce that and reduce surface area for attacks is good.
Developers are the most important people. They are the people who use our services. So showing them what we can do and how they can do it, and engaging on a basis like this with nice groups is really, really important.